Mega love shoutout once again. This is Pure Stoneheart and welcome to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na po to. Don't forget to hit the button, subscribe button and the notification para makapag-notify kayo sa mga lahat ng mga videos ko. And for today's video, once again guys, my personal favorite thing to do, again, unboxing. So, nag-order ulit ako I ordered another pair of shoes because I love shoes. That's my favorite and my habit now. Though it's not that expensive once again. From my favorite shopping, online shopping, and here it's delivered once again for my unboxing for today's video. And thank you so much guys. And for that, let's go for the unboxing. Okay. Ayan. So it's already open. So here we goes. Another pair of shoes, guys. Now, actually, I already have this one. So then, I really love the color. I'm so excited, and the color of this one. See? And the other one. Actually, I have this one guys, and I ordered this one for my nephew because I already have a pair of shoes like this. And this is for me. There's another one. What is the size of this? This is 7.5. Why have a 7.5? I didn't order, but anyway, the same. They have both the same, guys. See. And I love the color. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for my next upload so you will be notified. God bless. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart and thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.